Moonvalley.ai is a groundbreaking new text-to-video generative AI model whereby you can easily create breathtaking cinematic and animated videos from simple text prompts. You can easily generate videos that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, you simply tap onto try the beta right here and it's going to take you right onto the Discord server. So once you are right here on the Discord server, you go onto the new moon creators, usually tap on any of that right here, and once you right here guys, simply put in slash and we have the create option right here whereby you can easily create a video from a text prompt. So you simply just paste in the prompts, you add in the style. Now we have the comic book fantasy anime, so let's make use of anime. Your duration, let's make use of this right here option. As you can see, you can make use of any of this. Let's make use of model duration right here, and that is it. Once you're done, click on to enter and we have been able to send a command to the Moonvalley AI and this will be generated within a few seconds. You can easily tap onto the slash right here and we also have the animate option and also create a video from a text prompt or animate an image right here, and there are also lots of feed track right here that you can also try out from. So this is how you can make use of the text to video. So let's simply wait for a few seconds for our video to be done generating. So guys, as you can see right now, I've been able to generate this video by simply just giving this a prompt, and you can easily just download this right into your device. So if you're looking for one of the best AI tool that helps you convert your text to video, you want to simply try out the moonvalley.ai.